you're reading a book and it's Dogman Unleashed. And it's about Dogman was chief his birthday, and his birthday a little waggy, fishy, and kind of obnoxious. Okay, let's read Dogman Unleashed. Chapter 1, The Secret Meeting. Early one morning at the cop station, Dogman was being very obnoxious. Hey! Stop it, Dogman. Let go. Cut it out. Hey, what's this? Chip's birthday. Chip's birthday today? Let's have a party. We can all help plan it. Calling all cops. And so, I make a card. I bake a cake. I'll do the we'll do the decorations. Sorry, I don't really, Now all we need is presents. What should we get him? Chip is always forgetting stuff. I know. Let's get him these brain dots to make him smarter. Good thinking. What else? I know. Chip is lonely. Hey, let's get him a pet to keep him company. What kind of pet? How about a fish? Good idea. Fish are awesome pets. And these aren't filthy and obnoxious like dogs. Okay, it's settlers. Dogman, I'm putting you in charge of buying a fish. But remember, don't buy a dead one. Chip does not like to roll around on that fish. Only you like that. So don't buy a dead one. Hey, we're gonna hurry. Chip will be back in 2 minutes. How many who want to go to the pet store? Who want to buy a fish? Who's a good boy? Who's a good fish buyer? Dogman got so excited, and he flipped. Flip around. I'll show you that if you don't got this book, because it's a book and like a movement. This person actually made the movement. Okay. Who want to go to the pet store? And who want to buy fish? And don't buy that one. Okay. Go get the fish. Oh, hi, Dogman. Hey, zoom. Clunk. Dogman. Chapter 2. Penelope's Pets. By Georgian and Harold. Ding, ding. Oh no, it's the dog-head cops again. This pet store people did not like Dogman because he was a total pain. He sampled all the kittles, he licked all the bones, lick. And he played with all the balls. Bounce, 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 bounce. Cut it out, Dogman. Look Look at the mess you made. Is that any way for a cop to behave? He's quite rude to Dogman. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Squish. Give me that ball. Again, a flipperoo. Okay. Sorry. Drop it. Let go. Cut it out. Oh, my arm. Then he saw her. She was beautiful. She was fluffy. She was smelling great too. Sniff, sniff. Soon their eye was met. Can I help you? Dogman tried to remember what he was there. Fish. Dogman looked at all the fish. Then he found one. But that one's dead. Are you sure you want to buy a dead fish? Whatever you do, don't buy a dead fish. Well, that fish cost $5 plus tax. But Dogman had no money. Aha! Just as I expected. Wait here. Dogman wanted to buy a fish, but he ain't got no money. Hey, let's give him the evil fish. What evil fish? Follow me. It came to our pet shop last Friday, the 3rd, with a wicked head and a soft at dark all the southern midnight. I tried to put him with the other fish, but he took over all the little castles, stole every tiny plastic treasure chests, and bullied each fish. How dare it cross his wretched path. Look often the fish face of evil. Please do not tap a glass. So we should give him to Dogman? Yeah, why not? Seeing him. Hey, you dog. Here you go, Dogman. Your very own butterfly pet. Butterfly fish, I mean. Hey, it's free to still not complain. Then, how much is the doggy in the window? Ding ding. Oh, that's Zuzu. She's a rescue dog from the shelter next door. She's only $100 plus tax. Okay, there's $100. And there's some tax. Awesome. Here you go. Cool. Where gonna be best friends forever. Well, goodbye, everybody. Hey, you're Dog Man. I'm the biggest fan. I'm your biggest fan. Hi, here my card. Sketch head off. World's greatest reporter. See you later. Bye. Bye. See you in the next show. Bye.